Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now question is, find cube root of 12 by using Newton-Raphson method by performing 3 iterations. Now solution, x is equal to cube root of 12. Now taking cube of both sides, we get x cube is equal to 12. Therefore x cube minus 12 is equal to 0. Now let this be fx. Fx is equal to x cube minus 12. Now initial root is not given, therefore let us find initial root first. Now if we put x is equal to 0 in fx, we get 0 cube minus 12 is equal to 0 cube is 12. 0 cube is 0 minus 12 is equal to minus 12. If we put x is equal to 1, then 1 cube minus 12 is equal to 1 minus 12 is minus 11. If we put x is equal to 2, then 2 cube minus 12 is equal to, now 2 cube is 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Now if we put x is equal to 3, 3 cube minus 12 is equal to, now 3 cube is 27 minus 12 is plus 15. Now this number is less than 0 and this number is greater than 0. Now we have two numbers with value of fx with opposite signs, right? Therefore root lies between 2 and 3. Since f of 2 is less than 0 and f of 3 is greater than 0, therefore root lies between 2 and 3. Therefore let us take initial root is equal to 2. We can take 3 also, we'll get same answer. Let us take x0 is equal to 2. Let x0 is equal to 2. Now formula for Newton-Raphson method is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. Now this formula involves derivative term, therefore let us find derivative of fx. Fx is x cube minus 12. Now differentiating this with respect to x, we get f dash x is equal to derivative of x cube is 3x square minus derivative of 12 is 0, right? Therefore f dash x is equal to 3x square. Now initial root is x0 is equal to 2. Now if we put n is equal to 0, then x1, 0 plus 1 is 1. x1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. Therefore f of x0 x0 is 2. 2 cube minus 12. 2 cube is 8 minus 12 is equal to minus 4. Now f dash of x0 is equal to, now f dash x is 3x square. 3 into x0 is 2 square is equal to, now 2 square is 4 into 3 is 12. Now first iteration x1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0 is equal to 2 minus f of x0 is minus 4 divided by f dash of x0 is 12. Now minus minus plus, right? Using calci, if we find this, then this is equal to 2.333. Now let us find f of x1. x1 is 2.333. Now fx is x cube minus 12, replacing x by 2.333 cube of this minus 12. Now using calci, we can calculate this, and this is equal to 0.698. Now f dash of x1 is equal to 3 into 2.333 square is equal to 16.329. Now second iteration, x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1 is equal to, now x1 is 2.333 minus f of x1 is 0.698 divided by f dash of x1 is 16.329, and this is equal to 2.290. Now let us find f of x2. fx is x cube minus 12, replacing x by 2.29 cube of this minus 12 is equal to 0.009, and f dash of x2 is equal to 3 into 2.290 square is equal to 13.74. Now we have to perform 3 iterations. Therefore, now third iteration, x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2 is equal to, x2 is 2.290 minus f of x2 is 0.009 divided by f dash of x2 is 13.74, and this is equal to 2.289. Now if you find f of x3, and this is equal to minus 0.007. Now this number is almost near to 0, and we have to perform 3 iterations. Therefore, after 3 iterations, approximate root or cube root of 12 is 2.289. If you like this, then please like, share and subscribe, and please comment. Thank you.